President and CEO of Northisle Copper and Gold. We trade on the Toronto Venture Exchange under the sign NCX. Freeport is earning in on the Pemberton Hills project. It's one of our exploration targets. It's one of several that we have on our 33,000 hectare property. The feature of the target itself is it's a large 3.5 by 1.5 kilometer area of a high-level porphyry copper type alteration with some encouraging earlier drill holes that suggest there is a porphyry deposit at depth. Freeport, under the terms of the deal, can earn 49% in the target by spending $4 million over 3 years. Then they'll have a one-time option to increase their interest to 65% by spending another $20 million over 4 years. And Northisle will be the initial operator of the joint venture up until Freeport makes a decision to go to 65%. If they decide not to go to 65%, then will remain as operator. Two votes of confidence in our project by having Freeport come in. The first is for Freeport to come in, they have to be convinced that there's potential to find a world-class copper gold porphyry deposit on the project. The second thing is Freeport wouldn't be spending their money if they didn't think they could develop a mine at the north end of Vancouver Island. We always ranked Pemberton Hills very highly, but it's quite remote from our two known deposits, Hushamu and Red Dog. In the past and going forward, we want to focus our efforts on testing those targets near Hushamu and Red Dog because if we can expand the resource at either of those two deposits, it has a significant positive impact on the economics of our project and could further improve the $550 million NPV8 and the 14.3% IRR. We view Pemberton Hills as a one-off. As I mentioned before, it's quite remote from the other projects and so is an independent, standalone target. As far as the rest of the project, we really want to keep focused on, as I mentioned before, trying to expand the resources that we have at our two known deposits and also spending more of our effort on improving the metallurgy and further engineering studies to optimize production rate and also to look at the potential to use the nearby Island Copper Pit as a place to put our tailings. We still have a little bit of work to do on the project before we start drilling, and of course we'll have to finalize our drill permits. But we hope to be drilling either in the end of August or early September of this year.